Hello students, so welcome to the class. You can see on the board there are name of the chapters are written that will be discussing throughout the chapter, throughout the session, throughout the year. And this is Neeraj Tripathi welcoming again. Class 9th chemistry is really very interesting because when you enter in the class 9th, you are actually faced to the different science branch of the science, chemistry, physics and biology differently. The different teachers will discussing through the different norms, different strategy of the science throughout. And we have in chemistry, these are the some chapters, names are written, you can see. Matter in our surroundings is matter around us pure, atoms and molecules, and structure of atom. There are only 4 chapters in chemistry that we will discussing throughout the year. Only 4 chapters. Means if you can calculate, if you can use the mathematics, you can see that in 12 months you will just discussing the 4 chapter that will be 3 months to the 1 chapter. That is really very easy, na? But actually for class 9th students, that is a basic chemistry, so that will not be really easy to understand what about the meaning of these chapters. So just concentrate your study so that can be easily grab whatever the things are given in your chapters. You just see that this is really a very basic. If you can start a chemistry from the beginning, so that is the beginning. That is the beginning. So I will start here an introductory class. Just see the name matter in our surroundings. That means we will discussing that different kinds of matters are we are surrounding. Means whatever surrounded us, actually these are the part of the matter. In the case of science, in the concept of science, you can use that we actually surrounded by the matter, different matters, and really energy, the one of the part. So in this chapter we will really discussing about the matter, what are the things, whatever this you can see, and many the things which cannot see, what are the meaning of that. So matter, you will discuss about that. Then after discussing about matter, their compositions, their behavior, their force of attraction, and different things which will be given in our chapter. After that, we have to discuss the matter. You can see the chapter name, that is a question mark, is matter around us pure? So you have to study about the purity and impurity of the matter. That means the surrounding, in our surrounding, the different things which are here are actually pure or impure. These are the matters, but may be pure or impure. So on the basis of that, you will discussing about the matter, their purity, their impurity, and the most important thing is how will we differentiate, how will you filtrate the pure from impure or impure from pure. Means you have to discuss in this chapter also how will you differentiate, how will we distinguish different purity and impurity of the matter, really. Then after a very basic science of the chemistry, that is really atoms, a very smallest particle. So this chapter, atoms and molecules, we actually discussing about the very basic, the whole universe. You actually understood through the chapter, the whole universe is made up of the very small particle, that is called atom. So what are the nature of atom, how that will form, what are the really physics, what kind of force of attraction between the particles of nature, particles of matter, and how these atom particles will form molecules. So throughout this chapter we will discussing about atoms, their discoveries, their composition, and other particles that will make that atom. How will really the came to know that atoms are there, and how these atoms will form molecules. And last one, the structure of atom, that will totally based on the atom. So what the behavior of atom, what the structure of atom, what the other particle that will make the atom, and how these atoms will behave. So in your syllabus, you can see in your syllabus we actually discussing the very basic chemistry, that is called material chemistry, that in our surrounding we are just enclosed, we are just surrounded the different things that is very tiny, maybe that is maybe very big, but all these are matter. Sometimes there are something like air which you cannot see, but still that is a matter. So we have to discuss, we have to study about why these things are called matter, what the composition that will study, that will distinguish the given things are matter, how will we distinguish between matter and energy, what are the really meaning of that energy, how these matters will form the different things in our surrounding, how these matters will be pure, when will we call pure, when will we call impure, and when enters in atoms and molecules, so we can see that the very small thing that will form atoms and molecules. So all these material, all these things you can study throughout the session, throughout the year. So an introductory class, actually I want to that you have to aware about your surrounding, you have to aware about that marker, that board, that ink, all these are actually a matter. So whatever the things you can see except energy that cannot be seen, that can be only a feel, but you have to study about that, what is the really meaning of that. So throughout the session, throughout the year, we will discussing about that. In this class, I only want to aware, I only want to learn to you that you have to make your sense that in our surrounding, the different things are made up of atoms and molecules, that is really called matter, that has a kind of force of attraction, that has a kind of small particle, that is a kind of different nature, physical or chemical, their behavior, their odor. So all these things that really you experience in your daily life, that is a part of that. So this is going to be a very, really a very interesting, that when we will study, when we will start the study, that you will make that learn that this is a really very interesting, that matter is, what is the really matter meaning, what is the really meaning of atom, the molecules, and how we'll know that structure. So all these chemistry will be really going to be very interesting. So before starting the chapter, just make sense, we are nothing without chemistry. We are really nothing without chemistry, because whatever the things you are using, whatever the things we are using, just to be what we wear, the dresses, what we use, whatever that marker and all that thing, that all the called matter, and that will be studied in the under the chemistry, under the section of chemistry. So now just make sense, without chemistry is really possible to live here, is really possible to sense here, it is really possible to ease up doing, ease up work, ease up living, nothing, really nothing. So let us start your chapter, matter in our surroundings. That is really going to be very interesting. If I will start from the chapter, just make one activity. If you will take a beaker of water, if you take a beaker of water and took 100 ml of water, suppose 100 ml of water, and add a spoon of sugar or salt, a spoon of sugar or salt. Initially, when you add sugar or salt in 100 ml of water, you very well know that sugar has some kind of taste, then salt has some kind of taste, and you can see the particles of sugar and salt. When you add that sugar in the water or salt in a water, after staying after a while, the particle just disappeared. The particle get disappeared. What the meaning of that? what the really sense come out? The sense come out is that the sugar particle that is really very tiny, or salt particle that is really very tiny, is made up of some other more smaller particles. That mean the smaller particle of sugar or salt is also made up of some other smaller particles. So when we will add a sugar, when we will add a salt, that get dissociated further and further, and after a time, after a while, that get disappeared, but that water has a taste. That water has a taste of sugar, or water has a taste of salt. So that taste will distinguish, that taste will tell about the water contains sugar, but we cannot see the particle, meaning the particle get closed under the molecules of water. The particle just fill the space of the water. So we cannot see with the naked eye, with the naked eye, but the particle is still has in the water, the particle is still has, because of the taste, because of that salty taste or sugar, sweet taste, you know very well that the having a salt or sugar, but you can see that mean a smaller particle made up of some further smaller particle. So that is really very interesting. So we will start from the next lecture, the matter in our surrounding. But before that, I want to do one more homework. Just make a sense around you. Just start making a sense, making a science around you. The different science you are just surrounded. The different kinds of particles, different kinds of chemistry and physics in your surrounding. Just make a start a sense. Just think about that and start learning. So that will be a chapter starting. That will be the introductory class. Thank you, class. Thank you very much.